Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find passwords and security. Now let's scroll down and enter the privacy, and as you can see here we've got the SIM lock option, so let's enter. At the very bottom of this list we've got change SIM pin option. So just tap on it, and here we have to enter our current one. So let me do it, tap on OK, and right now finally we can enter new pin. So let me enter, and here we have to retype it in order to confirm. Just tap on OK, and as you can see we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, which means that from now on if you will restart your device, then it will require the new pin. So actually this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.